Hey there, Jasmine with WTI. Are you looking for a new pair of roller skates? Well, I have a fantastic pair to share with you. These are HASERD Roller Skates, and they have incredible features.
These skates are just the cutest, but more importantly, they are pillow soft. They are cut high on the ankle for necessary support, and all the padding around the ankle is an added bonus. I like how long the laces are, and there is plenty of space in the toe box. The bearings are smooth like warm butter. They glide with ease. This color is the Pro Gray. It's a fantastic neutral. I adore the fabric on the inside, and the sparkle flecks in the wheels are ultra cute. The skates are set on a sturdy aluminum alloy bracket, and they have adjustable rubber brakes. Ultimately, these are designed for comfort and fun.
So if you're looking for a super comfortable pair of skates that also are totally adorable, check out HASERD Skates. You can't go wrong, and you will definitely be rolling in style, but that's just my point of view.